Zero in on the best leads for your business by setting custom scoring rules. With all company fields at your disposal when setting criteria, you can take into consideration how ideal a prospect is for your particular business and how ready they are to buy. Let's set up some rules now. From the score page under Administration in Partner Center, say your agency specializes in working with restaurants in San Diego. Increase their social media activity and improve their online reputation. You might give extra points to leads located in San Diego with grades of C or worse in social and reputation on their snapshot reports. You could keep it general or get specific, adding more points to leads with lower grades in those areas. You might also set some detractors, perhaps for businesses outside of California or for those with A grades in social and reputation on their snapshot reports. Once your scoring rules are set up, you'll find the lead score column populated on your company's list in the CRM. Filter by that data to do a number of things, from adding them to a sales campaign to prioritizing sales tasks to make the best use of your sales team's time and improve your close rate.